All right, well, good day everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dire Thing. Rob here and Sage. And before you go any further ahead, don't forget to hit the notification in the description. This way you'll always be up to date on everything that we do today. What are we doing? We're not doing moto stuff. No, we're doing something slightly a little different. We are running around with the DJI Neos, both Sage and I. So he's got the black one and I got the red one here, and let's be chasing each other. So hopefully if all goes well, we'll kind of get some video footage of each of us chasing each other, and at the same time you'll also have this video here as we're talking while we're flying. So perfect. Let's get to it. All right, let's get geared up. And then bank
so
right.
Around what?
This one here.
So you go around the big tree, that little tree?
Yeah, around this tree.
Yeah, around the little tree.
Yeah, and then normally we get on this side of the tree and we just kind of keep going straight.
Yeah,
now we're not.
Here.
Now we're going to come around this first tree.
We're going to cut through.
Yeah, cut through this first
right.
tree, this little first tree.
Yeah.
And then back over in through the gap.
Oh, so back right around.
You got your cover off. You got to take your gimbal cover off.
Pinch.
Yeah, not break it.
No. Just press it once, or?
No, press down. No, back button.
Sorry. And then hold.
Yeah. There you go.
They look the same.
They're all the same, right?
Okay, I'll take it off right there. No settings changed for this?
Yeah, no, pinch it. Hold it in your hand. Underneath it. Reach your hand out, put your hand flat. Reach out far. Double tap down with this fingers here. You can double tap here. Okay, I got it taken off for you.
Okay.
And just take off. Throttle up.
Sorry.
Out of my face.
Okay, well, I'm right in front of me. I'm right in front.
Yeah, okay. I'm just taking off too. Give me 1 second. See ya. Yeah, let me put my goggles on. Now mind you guys, we're also flying with the FPV controllers and not the motion controllers. So I would almost want to try flying with a motion controller to see if that would be a little bit... No, I just can't. I am sketchy all over the place with it. As much as I want to, I can do manual flying straight and going kind of gaps and just flying around, but trying to put it into a circuit, it's like so tough. Yeah. I'm just gonna go on the path itself.
13 battery percent.
Huh?
Here we go. I got one more meat.
.25%, so I'm coming in.
Perfect.
Nice.
Wow.
Right, I'm done too.
Once you get a groove, it's not so sloppy.
Huh?
Once you like mess up, then it's just sloppy the whole time.
Yeah, then you try to fix yourself. Oh. Okay.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm bringing it down.
Are you done for the night?
Yep.
Too dark. Let me fly it once in manual. Can you see it without, or it's too hard for you to track?
What?
If I'm flying with the goggles, can you trace it with your eyes? How fast does it look? Because on the thing, it looks like it's going
Oh, it's
stupid
going fast.
But I know it's sloppy, but I want to do one more battery.
Yeah. It's just watch getting dark. And all right, so there you have it, man. That was our first official kind of like FPVing, learning how to fly DJI Neos. They're absolutely so much fun. Again, when you put that thing in manual mode, like you see it just boogies. We're gonna do a flyby with Sage here, so he's gonna get himself back into manual mode. And you're gonna just do a straight full out throttle flyby. Give me a sec. So yeah, he's gonna do himself a straight full out throttle flyby. Try and get as close as you can to me as possible, okay? Here we go. Like that, come on, that Neo boogies, man. That is such a fun little thing. Check him out. Nice, man. Oh, come straight out, straight out. Trippy. Watch the tree. No! Dude! Hey! You were going straight into me there. Huh? Oh! Yeah, that was my junk, man. All right. Till next time, y'all be good, be safe, have fun, don't care. Don't forget, keep it covered. All right, bye. Whoa, you almost hit that sign.
Yeah, I know.